Hey guys, so this is something I wanted to experiment with. But first, the ingredients list, of course. Here's the margarine, shredded cheese, 2 slices of bread. Okay, let's start now. We're going to use the same sandwich and split them into halves for consistency. Then we'll pop each half into either a frying pan or air fryer bin. Boom! Set your burner to medium-high heat. Set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bloop! Gotta love that sizzling sound. Alright, the other half goes in here for about 5 to 6 minutes. Though I got slippery fingers. So this will probably take a while. I'm going to do a transition scene. Ooh, yum. Gotta love melted cheese. Here we have both sandwiches. One grilled, one air fried. The cheese looks more dried in the air fried one. Interesting. Okay, let's do this. We're starting with the grilled cheese. Alright. I like what I'm seeing here. It's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Cheese is always good. Alright, this is the one I've been waiting for. Wow! It's uber cheesy. Wow, that cheese pull. So you might be unable to notice this, but the whole bread is actually crispy. Even the bread side touching the cheese is crispy. So what's the verdict? I love a good grilled cheese. An air fried cheese sandwich totally blows it out of the park. It's crispier than the grilled one, and I'm definitely going to try this again. I would also recommend you try it out too. For now, accept these clumsy thumbs up. Remember to like and subscribe for more content.